Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. You guys, Tirelo posted these two pictures of herself looking dashing, looking good. I must say that this girl leggings look so good on her, especially this particular outfit. Like Sala, like it looks so good on her. I think she has another outfit like this, but in pink. Looks super good and super cute on her. Anyway, she posted these two pictures, and then she posted at the end something like a caption, which basically reads as follows: if you don't like me, breathe in and out, because there's nothing else you can do. So she put that up, and she actually opened up her comments when she actually put up this picture. And guys, the comments that I was reading, I was just like, "Hey, bo, guys, like, abang, abang, like, why? Like, why would you go to someone's page and someone's pictures that you don't like, and then like put comments that you know very?" I'm just like, come on, guys. But there was this comment that I'm just like, guys, no. Someone said Mrs. STI. And I'm like, guys, when did we get to a point where now we are swearing one another and we are swearing one another according to diseases, if that's what you want to call it? Aye, guys, we can't be stooping that low. We can't be stooping that low to a point where we're now swearing or calling or naming one another through such things. That is just a low blow. Like, no, like you just don't want to be that person. Just don't be that person. I mean, there's so many things you can say, but as I said, when it comes to health issues, guys, health issues is it's a sensitive thing. Do you understand what I'm saying? And it's just regarded as not having manners. If anything, you don't swear people by, or you don't talk about like people's health statuses in public. Like, it's just a rude thing to do. You don't know what the person went through when they went through that. Yes, fine. She was wrong. Her and Pumelelo were wrong for not telling Vuyokazi. But now for us to go and call her that. And I've seen this comment like a couple of times from other people as well on shorts and some of my videos. I'm like, guys, let us askuzaneni, let us like, let's, especially as women, let's just not be those people. Let's just not be those people. You can be someone, you can be someone that you just don't like. You can be someone that doesn't like another person, but I don't see the point of going to their comment section and swearing them. And like this other girl even said, like, who are you? We don't even know you. I'm like, hey, boy, Jad, you come from where you coming? You go and comment on someone's post and say, who are you? We don't even know you. Like, please, guys. But anyway, Ugel says, like, listen, take a deep breath. I think also for her that she should take a deep breath in and out and not take these things personally to heart, because at the end of the day, this is her personal life, you guys. And I mean, people make decisions that they feel are fit and best for them. I mean, Tirelo uthanda indoda yakhe, and she's choosing her man through thick and thin, through the whole nation just basically hating him. She is choosing a man, and you know what? Kudos to her for that, because at the end of the day, if she believes that's her truth, that she loves this man and this man loves her, why should she rob herself of something that she believes to be true? Anyway, please do make sure you like this video. Tell me what you think about this. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.